The International Organization for Standardization has established standards for both brand valuation, ISO 10668, and brand evaluation, ISO 20671. What is the difference between these terms, and why are they so important? Brand valuation refers to the estimation of the monetary value of a brand in a transaction, whether it is internal or a purchase, sale, or licensing agreement. It is the financial equity the company has in the brand as a transferrable asset. Brand valuation is defined from the brand owner's point of view. Brand evaluation is defined from the stakeholder's point of view. It's the measurement of the value of a brand using relevant indicators that assess the impact of the brand on customers. It includes both monetary considerations, like brand value, and non-monetary considerations, like brand strength and brand equity. One problem with this nomenclature is that the term brand value is currently being given a range of different meanings by marketers and marketing measurement firms, many of which include non-monetary considerations. For this reason, MASB, the Marketing Accountability Standards Board, is opting to use the term financial value of brand in place of brand value because it is critical that a monetary valuation of this significant intangible asset be available for strategic decision making.